Hello, welcome to this short tutorial on what to do if you've got knees that don't want to comply in some particular postures. This was after a question from one of you asking what are the alternatives for your knees when you're in child's posture. So sometimes one knee, two knees, the inside of the knee, the outside of the knee, the back of the knee, there's a little issue here. And really you want to be as kind to your joints as possible. So showing you a child's posture, which requires you to sit back onto your heels and be extended here. There's quite a lot of flexion into the knee. So one thing that you can do, you can take the knee that's bothering you out to the side. So for example here, you just take it out to the side, which means that you would have less pressure. In some case, you might even have the leg all the way behind you, so you're in a variation of pigeon, if you like. So that would put a little less pressure, but if it's on the inside, it's still not very helpful. So in which case, what you might do is you might flip onto your back and then hug your knees with the hands behind the thighs so there is less pressure. Because often, child's posture is used as a rest and as a back reliever, so that would release the back as much, but without the pressure on the knees. Another option here would be to use a blanket or an extra mat. I'm going to roll mine up here, and sometimes it's sitting back that is the issue, so you would put a little tempering device, if you like, a little bit of space here, so that when you go down, you can still get that stretch in the back, but you're not putting as much pressure on the knees. If it's towards the front of the knee, you can also use some support, so you could use the blanket under the knees, so this be softer, or one of those, which is a soft padded pad, which can also be used for when you do your headstands, as well as when you do your knees. For example, if you were to come into a lunge, this would offer you some support as well. So have a little try with those modifications and see how you get on. Thank you. Bye.